Okay, so today we're going to do a lesson over order of operations. This should be a review from a previous class. You should have heard the term order of operations many times before, but just as a refresher, there's an acronym that stands for the order in which you should do your operations. So first is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division, you work left to right, and same with addition and subtraction, left to right. Doesn't matter which one comes first. Okay, so just to do some examples, we're going to start with this one. So the first thing I look for is parentheses, and we do have that in this problem. So 5 plus 3 is what we want to do first. I'm going to underline it. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then rewrite everything else. Now what we have next is division and addition. So which one of those should come first? If you're thinking division, you're correct. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Bring down the plus 2. And now I've just got one thing left. 4 plus 2 is 6. Always put a box or circle around your answer so it stands out. Obviously, I know you can use a calculator on this, and you're welcome to check your answers with a calculator, but I'd really like for you to try it using mental math first. Okay, next problem. We've got 3 plus 6 in parentheses divided by 3 squared. So my operations here, I've got parentheses, division, and exponents. So if you're remembering the acronym PEMDAS, parentheses should always come first. So I need to do 3 plus 6, which is 9. Bring down the rest of the stuff that I have. Now I've got division and exponents. So which should come next? It's PEMDAS, so parentheses, exponents. So 3 squared is 9. Bring down the rest of it. Now I'm just left with one operation. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Okay, next problem, I've got 125 divided by bracket 5 times parenthesis 2 plus 3, and then end bracket. So first of all, I see a set of parentheses. I actually see two sets because the brackets take place of parentheses. So when you've got double sets of parentheses, you always want to work from the inside out. So the first thing I want to do is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then I'm going to rewrite everything else. Okay, now I've still got a set of brackets here that represent parentheses, so that's what I'm going to do next. And that is 5 times 5, which is 25. Bring down the 125 and division sign. I can get rid of the brackets now that I did what's inside them. And now I just have one operation left. 125 divided by 25 is 5. Okay, next example. I think this is our last one on these notes. Maybe? Nope, we got one more after this one. So this one I've got bracket 6 squared minus parenthesis 2 plus 4 times 2 bracket 3. So this one's a little bit more complicated. I've got parentheses inside brackets, so again I'm going to start there. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And then I'm going to rewrite everything else. Okay, so I've still got a set of brackets here, which obviously I need to work inside there first. Some of you might pick to do 6 times 2 because the 2 is in parentheses, but remember that just represents multiplication. That's not an actual parenthesis. So the next thing I want to do is this 6 squared because that would be the next in the order of operations. So 6 squared is 36. Just rewrite everything else. Okay, now inside my parentheses I've got subtraction and multiplication, so I need to do multiplication first. So 6 squared is, or 6 times 2, I'm sorry, is 12. Now I need to move inside my bracket. I've got subtraction, so 36 minus 12 is 24. Now I can drop the brackets because everything inside is simplified. 24 times 3 is 72. So 72 would be my final answer for that one. All right, last example we're going to talk about, oh, nope, these are the previous class's homework problems. I will post your actual homework problems on Google Classroom.